Okay, this is me and Renee pulling into the beach. As you can see, there's not that many people around. I'll give you Renee. There she is. Say hi, Renee.
Hi.
You ready to have some fun in the sand? Yeah? All right. Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it, dude. So we're getting out. Amazing
Daddy,
thing.
I want to make a sandcastle.
Okay, Renee. I'm gonna set up over here a little campfire. A little cold. How's my bumper doing? Bumper's doing well.
Where's the horseshoe crab?
Horseshoe crab right here. We're gonna go see a horseshoe crab.
Where?
I think it's dead. Well, let's see. My feet. That's for you, Tammy. There it is. Right there. There's that horseshoe crabby wabby.
The big one?
Yep.
That is a
Oh, look at that sandcastle. Ooh, shell. Ooh, shell.
Whoa, cool.
That's a good idea.
Oh,
Oh boy. Skies are getting dark. Might be raining on us. But Renee doesn't care. What rain? Who cares, right? Getting dark. We'll see. Barap, barap. Well, here we are. In the rain.
Let me see. Let me see that. Hello.
There's Renee. You about to eat a sandwich?
No, I'm not. No. Yes, I am.
We're enjoying the sounds of the pitter-patter
Yep.
of the rain.
Rain is crazy. Daddy always says it's great.
I always say it's great.
No G's.
No G's.
Stop copying. Here. Have that. Ow.
Nice day at the beach, right, Renee?